Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time again. It's time to open up this month's Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. And I'm so excited to show you what I've received in this month's box for the month of February. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into that. But before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. Let's jump right in. Good.